Hi guys, welcome back to a brand new video. Today I will be doing this by myself. So, yeah, this is a survival thing. It's probably not going to be like a whole series kind of thing, but I will try. I will try. So, this survival, yeah. And no one will be joining me today because this is just, I'm just doing it by myself today. So let's get to the video. So one thing that wanted me to do this was, oh, not that spider, um, was because when I saw Master Miner's video about, or it's not called Master Miner anymore. I will, I'll leave the link in the description of his video that wanted me to go inside that cave alone. And it's because of the new update. It's because of this. Oh my god, you just scared me. It's the video that he made by going into the. Okay, I'm sorry, I can't. I just started this video. I cannot have it being nighttime already. I just started the video. It's not supposed to be like that. It's supposed to be day. Okay, there. And it's the video that he did that made me want to do this, because when he went into the cave, see, the new update that came out was like a nether thing, and they came out with chains and stuff. And then when I saw his video, I saw that he heard noises down there. And you know me, I probably wouldn't like to go down there, but I have to because I want to hear the noises, even though I'll probably be freaked out and get out of Minecraft right away. So I just put these signs there so I wouldn't forget, so don't mind those. So the noises he heard, I will also put in the video. So one of them, yeah, you know what, I'll just show you.
Something really weird happened, and it scared me. So after all the dirt was basically gone and it was just lava, I decided to mine the iron that was in front of me after I saw it. After all the iron was gone, I went up to the upper mining level to find some more diamonds, but in the process of that, this happened. And I never put my sword up for anything but a zombie or a skeleton or a spider.
Well, I guess I just chose to came down here. But no, yeah, those are the noises he heard in the caves alone. And, you know, if that was me, I'd probably get out of Minecraft right away. Because I don't like being in Minecraft alone in scary caves. So for this, I'm going to have to record, and I'm going to cut out some things. But usually I don't have my sound on when I do this, so I'm going to have to keep my sound on in order to show you guys the noises. So, and I'm getting really hungry. How did that even happen? Okay, I will come back when I have enough food to go down there and enough stuff. So, give me a second. Okay, so I got everything ready. And I chose to go at night because I did not want to stay up there and build a whole house and then start the video. And if you know me, I just want to get right to it, so. Unless this is just like a dead-end cave. Oh, this is a dead-end cave. Well, now I have to go looking for a different cave. I'll be back when I find a cave. It's like staring into my soul. I'm gonna record, but not speak because I'm gonna cut out everything and then I'm gonna show you when I find the, noises. This might take a while. Did I play? Oh. I just wasted a torch. Give me that back. I don't want to move. And I don't want to look behind me. And it also didn't help. I heard a noise of an Enderman. I'm hearing that noise again. I don't know what it is. I'm kind of hoping it's lava. Or the torch. But if anyone does come, I'll be waving to them. I'll wave to them. Is that me walking? Wait. Okay, I think I'm about ready to come out now. I'm actually getting chills right now. Like, I'm not kidding. I'm actually very terrified of this cave. Now I know why I don't like going to caves. You know, they had to make it even more worse because, they added these creepy sounds. And, so far I haven't been hearing, I don't think I've been hearing the ones that Master Miner heard, so I guess I just get all the creepy stuff, I guess. Which I do not like, so I'm gonna stay. And it also didn't help that I forgot my furnace and my crafting table, carrying all my iron. So now I can't break the diamond I found. I don't think I went that way. I don't know which way to go. I'm just scared of every single way. I don't know what to do. Because I know that noise is lava. There. Okay, so I think I'm going to end the video here. I don't want to go any further. Even if I wanted to, I wouldn't want to. Because, you know, I wouldn't. So, I'm going to stop the video here. And thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. And if you want me to do anything else, please leave it in the comments below. Hopefully you had a great day. Mine was scary doing all this, so I have no idea what that sound is. Like flip-flops going on stairs or something. So yeah, please leave a like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. I'm gonna wave. Bye. Wait, no. To uncrouch. No, I have to be staring at you. Bye.